John Giumarra III, who comes from a well-known local farming family, receiving reduced charges yesterday in a case where he hit and killed a bicyclist while driving drunk last year. Today, 23 ABC's Scott Sheehan talked with District Attorney Lisa Green about that case and now joins us with more. Scott?
Tim, John Giumarra III was facing a felony and misdemeanor charge yesterday. He pled no contest to the reduced 3 misdemeanors. That means instead of facing a year in jail, he may only get a 90-day sentence, which he might not have to serve in jail. And that has the DA frustrated.
I'm very upset that the judge reduced the charge prior to hearing any evidence in the case. I was unaware of that happening at this stage of the case.
In January 2017, John Giumarra III hit and killed 32-year-old Angela Holder while driving drunk in his SUV. Despite Giumarra being drunk, District Attorney Lisa Green says Giumarra was not at fault in Holder's death because Holder was also under the influence of drugs, wearing dark clothes at night, and illegally crossing the path of Giumarra's vehicle. Yesterday, Judge Judith Dulcich reduced Giumarra's charge from 1 felony hit and run and 1 misdemeanor DUI to 3 misdemeanors, going against the district attorney's wishes.
In this case, he did not remain at the scene, did not try to render aid, and so he was charged with the felony because in the end, this individual did die.
This is not Giumarra's first run-in with the law. Public record shows he was also charged with a DUI in 1987, which he pled guilty to an expired charge, had a drunken disorderly conduct charge dismissed in 2014, and pled to a wet reckless in lieu of a DUI, which he received 3 years of probation and a fine in 2015. And with Giumarra still being on probation, District Attorney Green was hoping for their day in court.
You hope people would learn from their mistakes, and I hope Mr. Giumarra has learned from his mistakes. Instead of getting behind the wheel of a car, just stay home, Uber.
Today, Giumarra's lawyer, Jeremy Bremer, says they'll comment after April 3rd's sentencing.
Giumarra spent less than a day in jail in this case because he bailed out shortly after his arrest. We did reach out to the judge in this case, and we have not heard back by the time of the news. Reporting, Scott Sheehan, 23 ABC News.